Hey guys, welcome to Learning Champ. In our previous video, we have learned the sum of these concepts. The first one is what is machine learning, and the second one is general introduction of a neural network, or I can say main idea behind the machine learning. The third one is scope of a machine learning and how machine learning is evolving in human lives and what are their impacts on industries. And the last one is real-time applications of a machine learning and how industries are using machine learning to make smarter things like Facebook tagging mechanism. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about the types of a learning. The first one is supervised learning and the second one is unsupervised learning. Last and my favorite one is my reinforcement learning. So let's get started. So guys, what is supervised learning? As the name is suggesting, it is a type of learning which is being done under someone's supervision. In our case, human will act as a supervisor and he is going to teach or train machines with some samples of data. To understand this, let's understand with an example. So here we have a machine's brain and human is going to teach the machine's brain to recognize grapes. To do so, he will provide some samples of data, or we can say the examples, to machine's brain in the form of images as well as the annotations. As we can see from the image, here we have inputs, or we can say the images, and here we have the annotations, or we can say labels. And it's just a similar like a training a children. And once the training is completed, our machine's brain is ready to recognize grapes. Supervised learning is divided into two types, regression and classification. In regression, output of machine's brain can range between any numerical value. For example, temperature, price and stock prices, anything. In this example, there is a temperature between -50 to 230 and the prediction can be in between these numerical values. But in case of classification, machine tries to classify the things in between two or more categories. For example, hot and cold. It can be anything in classification model, like classifying an animal, like a dog, cat, classifying an fruits, apple, banana. What about unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning works without any guidance or any supervision. In this, labels and annotations are not available. Let's have a look at its example. In this situation, machine's brain will tend to group the inputs according to their features. Please note, grouping is also known as clustering. In this diagram, we can see our machine's brain has grouped the fruits according to their color, which is also a feature, which doesn't have any label. As we can see from this example, like we have provided the inputs to our machine's brain and it has successfully grouped according to their colors. Unsupervised learning is also of two types, clustering and association. Grouping unlabeled data according to their features is known as clustering, whereas finding the relationship between the two clusters is known as association. Or I can say how actually clusters are correlated to each other. So, it's time to know about reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a goal-based learning. In this learning, machine's brain employs a trial and error method to come up a solution. Or in other words, computer performs experiments with the environment to achieve a goal. Now, question is how it's being done. As we can see, here we have a mouse in the form of computer. Computer first observes the environment and then it tries to take some action in a particular environment. If it's a good action, then computer will be rewarded for that, or else it will be penalized for that. In this example, as we can see, here we have a robot and computer has first analyzed the environment and it tried to touch the fire. For that, computer is penalized of -50 points. Now computer knows to avoid fire. So with reward and penalties mechanism, computer learns things from its own. Congratulations guys, you have successfully completed the types of a machine learning. So hope you enjoyed this video and use your own supervised brains to read this. Have a good day.